Mama Ngina waterfront. So this is it right here, Mama Ngina waterfront. And right here, yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from Likoni, Mama Ngina. Wow. Yeah. So right here I have a good friend of mine and also sister to me. Maybe she wanna give herself an introduction and tell you who she is. Boom. She's the sister of mine here in Mombasa. She has been one of my best friends, taking me here and there. So yeah, maybe she should give herself an introduction and tell us who she is, you know, how we met, man. So yeah, give yourself an introduction here.
Hi guys.
Yes.
I hope you're all doing well today.
Yes.
My name is Maureen, and I stay in Mombasa City.
Yes.
Claude Joseph communicated to me that he was coming to Mombasa.
Yes.
And wanted to meet me.
Yes.
And I was happy
Yes.
to host him.
Wow.
And today I'm with him at Mama Ngina waterfront.
Mama Ngina waterfront right here, guys. You can see. Yeah, where the rich hide or where the rich come to have their leisure time.
I hope he's enjoying his time here.
For sure.
So I'm gonna show him around.
Yes.
I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching our video.
For sure.
And also, please go to my channel.
Yes.
Give Maureen and subscribe, guys.
For sure. Yeah, so guys, let me surprise her with something. Like she gonna touch like what we call like off the mask like me, so that you wanna see her very well. You can see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know sometimes people may be shocked. People may be shocked. Why is she in mask, man?
So this is me.
That's
this
her.
This is me without the mask.
Wow. I'm right here, your village boy Claude Joseph. You know, like Mombasa is very hot, so I have to work with water. Yeah, this bottle mineral water, you know. And also water in Mombasa is very salty due to that ocean right there, you know, that ocean. And you can see palm trees all over, people just having good time, having a nice time, you see. Like, yeah, they're just roaring in big machines. So man, it's a pleasure meeting Ogik Maureen. Kindly guys, go check her out on YouTube at Ogik Maureen. I really appreciate, and you know, go support her. We're on the road to
1,000.
Road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yes. Kindly, I urge you. Let's make her hit 1K subscribers. You know, yeah. By the end of this, let me say this month.
Yeah. Hopefully.
For sure. So on today's video is a super special video because I just met with Ogik Maureen all the way from the village at the border of Kenya and Tanzania to Mombasa City. So she decided, let us come and explore Mama Ngina waterfront. So I'm going to show you how everything is from starting to the ending. More videos coming from this place, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and kindly give us a like and share with your friends if you can. And if you haven't subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Wow. So see you there, guys. Wow. Okay, so guys, you can tell this place is really cool. The breeze from the ocean, the great ocean, is very nice, you know. So right here you can tell what we call like the best roads. Yes, the best roads and tarmac roads. So right there, maybe I should go and show them. Right there, it's called Mama Ngina waterfront. So Mama Ngina waterfront right here, you can tell how it is. It's really nice, well tarmacked roads. At the pavement right there, they have just put what we call like the cabros, and right here we have what we call like the disinfection booth where you can go through because of this COVID C19 here. Yeah, let me say it C19. So this is called disinfection booth right here, and we are boom at Mama Ngina waterfront. So this is it right here, Mama Ngina waterfront. And right here,
if you don't follow the trading plan, you will fail. So you really have to follow the trading plan. Like me, look at my gallery. See,
So let's go sit a place, then you can see.
Yeah,
So this is a Chinese restaurant right here. This Galaxy Chinese restaurant, and boom, this is it. Chinese all over Kenya. The guy amekaa.
hivi ndio
next week. So people having nice there, you know. Wapenda na
for Valentine.
Valentine. Valentine is coming. Wow. You should take your boyfriend and your girlfriends right here. Hey, look at that place, man. It's really nice. Really good. So guys, we are at Mama Ngina waterfront, and right here are just some of the description that shows you what to expect right here. It says the horseshoe fort, Mama Ngina Drive topographic map, and right here is the map right here, you can see. And right here it says this fort, the only structure of Portuguese origin in this section. I hope you see it well. Of Mama Ngina Historical Waterfront Park was constructed by mainly by use of the lime and coral stones. Is estimated to be of the same period as Fort Jesus, that was in 1593 years, and it has unique characteristics that include 7 standing walls measuring 1.5 meters thick and separated from each other by 1 meter gap. Produced by G&P Abongo, 17 July 2019. So this is it. As you are from this side right here, you can have amazing view of the Great Indian Ocean right here. So this is it, right up that place right there. I see how people come to chill at this place, enjoy life, you know. And I recommend you on 14th, that would be our Valentine Day. Yeah, actually you can come here with your loved ones, and enjoy. Yeah, you just thank me later for sure. So yeah, was it this way? Because I was told that it has been renovated to such a beautiful place. Yeah, look at that ocean all the way from that place right there, man. You come up to this place, and you see right here. Maybe if there's a place right here, you can see up that place right there. It's really nice. Wow. So, and right here I have my friend Geek Maureen. Yeah, maybe you should say hi to the people. Yes.
So we came from the rich, where the rich are.
Yeah, from
now we are heading towards the other side of Manila.
Yes.
Where the entrance is.
Yes.
And we're loving it, guys.
For sure, guys. You can tell. So, guys, we have some amazing seats. So the written UNESCO Council of Mombasa, the Dui Jirani. So can't wait to sit right here and enjoy life. So when you're just sitting here, you can enjoy the view right here, everything out here, and also you can go deep down to what we call the ocean right there. So it's really nice. Yeah. So you sit here as you enjoy, relax, man. This is Mama Ngina. Mama Ngina?
Mama Ngina Drive. Mama Ngina
waterfront. Mama Ngina waterfront. So this is Mama Ngina waterfront. You can tell. Some amazing seats right here. Really nice, really good. And there's some people selling some coffee right there. Right. It's really nice, guys. So I recommend you to come and pay a visit here. Yeah, it will be really nice. So yeah,
Especially the coming Valentine's Day.
for sure.
Just next week.
Wow, you can
Yeah.
come and pay a visit
With
here.
your spouse
Yeah,
and
and enjoy life.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Yo, so guys, I want to say thank you so much for being on my channel, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I hope you have enjoyed the tour, the quick tour of this place. So let me know at the comment section what do you think about this video, and how have you seen?
Notification bell, guys,
Yes.
so that you can be able to get Claude Joseph's videos.
For sure.
Yeah.
And let me know what do you think about this place. Have you ever seen this kind of places, or do this place exist back there in your countries, or back in your places or in your hometowns, you know? Yeah, so and right here is my tour guide. You can go check her out on YouTube at
Geek Maureen.
yes.
Yeah, and subscribe, guys. Support me.
Yes.
We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers.
For sure, guys. Go check her out. Go subscribe and say Claude Joseph sent me here. I really appreciate. Go support her, guys. You know, she's on the road to 1K subscribers. Let's get her there. Yeah. So, do you have something before we end this video?
First, I want to say I wish you a wonderful month
Yes.
of February.
For sure.
And the coming Valentine's week.
Yes.
To all the couples, we wish you the best. And I'm happy today that I was able to meet Claude Joseph.
So happy to
Yeah.
hear it.
So guys, I hope you're gonna like and comment, and don't forget to let us know what else you'd love to see.
Yes.
And we should show you about Mombasa.
For sure. So guys, more content is coming. Go check her out on YouTube at Geek Maureen. We really appreciate road to 1K subscribers, and me too here on the road to 2K subscribers.
Okay.
Guys, I love what to
It's
appreciate you.
almost there, by
Yeah,
the way.
so thank you so much, and maybe you say bye bye.
Bye.
Yes.